And in Successful Fijian tonight, with a love for the sea and the environment around him, Mikaele Munreilangi wanted to follow his passion and become a marine biologist. However, destiny led him to education, where his dedication and commitment earned him accolades. After 30 years of teaching science around Fiji, Munreilangi is now retired and shares some of the highlights of his career. Lina Rees with this story.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
With a love for mathematics and the sciences, Mika Munreilangi ventured into marine studies, but with a shortage of teachers, the then 24-year-old took up the call.
I wanted to be a marine biologist, but I ended up becoming a teacher at a time when the government needed teachers, and I still had 1 or 2 units to go at the university. And I was living a lifestyle where I knew I had to foot my own bills and could not continue to hang on to my parents. And I lined up with friends and ended up enrolling as a teacher at the Ministry of Education. And that's how I became a teacher in the year 1989.
Munreilangi lost his father early last year, and he attributes his success to his parents, whose sacrifices helped him be a good educator. He says his students are the highlight of his career.
We'll never forget the times when Dad was the sole breadwinner. Mom had taken time off from work as a nurse, and I still remember his salary then for the whole year was $1,000. He made sure that as a teacher, he also ensured we had a good education. Teachers also make a big difference in people's lives. Feedbacks that also makes teaching life enjoyable. Just seeing people successful.
Munreilangi has advised aspiring educators that teaching is a noble profession with unlimited possibilities and a stepping stone for each student's final career choice.
When you see a scientist, that's me, a teacher. Behind that is me, the teacher. When you see a doctor, behind that it's me, a teacher. And all the vocations in life, the accountant, the doctor, the lawyer. And so we thank God for the life of the teacher. It is indeed a challenging profession, apart from being noble.
Teaching gave him many opportunities to live and work across the country. The retired teacher has no regrets, but has put his plans on hold for now to take care of his mother, sister and his family during these times. Lina Rees, FBC News.